Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And we're cooking a hummus today out of our cookbook, which we're not going to cook it, we're going to whip it.
And the cookbook we're using is called Be a Plant-Based Woman Warrior.
Live fierce.
Stay bold.
Eat delicious.
Woo! Eat very delicious.
And this is great. This is, we have a hummus section actually. I want to just say, hummus we love is the primary, like, it's the foundation of it's our hummus we love. And from there we make a lemon hummus, a balsamic hummus, a black bean hummus, a roasted garlic hummus, and today we're making
Hickory Smokehouse hummus.
We'll say it again.
Smickery.
Smickery. We're making Hickory Smokehouse hummus. And it's on page 92, but the foundation is on 91. So we're going to have both pages in action if you're following along. And the Hickory Smokehouse lemony schnickety hummus starts with, hold on one sec, a can of chickpeas that you open, but don't drain it right away. As you can see here, we have a little system in front of Ann that has a bowl underneath the strainer because we want to capture some of this aquafaba, the fluid that's in the can with the chickpeas. So we're going to put the chickpeas into our, just shake, 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 and just.
And this aquafaba, this fabulous aquafaba,
we're going
is draining out.
Okay, we're going to put those, we're going to add those 15-ounce chickpea pan, and here we go. Okay, and then the next thing we're going to add 2 cloves of garlic, and since we're using a, this is called a food processor, we don't need to mince up our garlic. I'm just going to get the skin off the garlic and put it in. This one didn't get smashed as hard, because this little skin. I used to really not like opening garlic, but then I had one friend said, "Oh, my mother taught me how to open garlic. You take a knife and you just do it." And I think of my mom every time, so it made me like opening garlic a little better. Okay, and then we have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Tell me when you think it's a tablespoon. 1 and 2.
Lemon is usually 2 if it's a good lemon.
So you're telling me to keep going for it?
At least.
Sometimes I open it up and I do it sideways. Oop, not upside down. Jeez. This one doesn't want to do it.
It's a slippery
lemon. And see if we can get a little more. All right, so we have about 2 tablespoons. And then we're going to put in, this is optional. For those of you who want to, we add some tahini. So add in 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. I don't want to get that all goopy because I think we have to use something else in there. Some cumin or something. Yep, there we go. Next thing is cumin. Oh, not a tablespoon though. I thought we had to do a tablespoon. Sorry. Cumin, we're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon. I didn't want to get this all wet. I like cumin.
That's okay.
You like it. You don't love it.
No.
Sometimes when there's too much cumin, she, but rarely backs down on how much you like it. Okay, 2 squirts of hot sauce. We have different kinds of hot sauce than we usually have these days. We usually like to have sriracha, but we have a Cholula sauce we're going to use today, and I kind of prefer this one. You like the Cholula?
Yeah, but the Cholula, at least it's been out in our stores because of the drought. I guess the peppers for it didn't.
Is it chilies or peppers? I think I'm
whatever.
Mixing them up lately.
Chili peppers.
So how much? We're going to do 2 squirts. So 1. Is that 2 squirts? Is that?
Yeah, a little more. That you can use more than you think.
Yep. Okay, so Hickory Smokehouse will have me a little heat. Could be a hot smickery hoke house. I love that you messed that up. Okay, now before we go any further, we're going to do 1/4 to 1/2 cup of aquafaba. So this is a 1/2 cup, and actually let's fill it up, and then we'll just use as much as you want for texture. So we have a half cup, and we're going to add this as we like. But now we're going to turn the page and get into how this basic. Actually, you know what? Let's do the basic recipe first. So this, and I'll put in some of our aquafaba, like maybe that's like a third of a cup I just added. So here, this is the hummus, and this is the foundation to which we could add other things. Well, whoop, there goes the garlic. And let me just scrape the walls down quickly. Sometimes you get some of your flavor stuck up here and not getting mixed in. How's it smell? Does it look good? Oh, you're gonna taste it? More lemon?
More lemon.
I think we forgot something. Hold on. Yeah, we forgot tamari. So we have the chickpeas, we have the garlic, we have the lemon, we have the tahini, we have the cumin, we have the hot sauce, and the aquafaba. We don't have the 2 tablespoons of tamari. And tamari is, soy sauce, gives it flavor. It always lives behind me. Here we go. Do we have here it is. I'm so glad you tasted it, because the fact that it was a little bit flat, you could tell it was missing a little something.
But lemon might have made a difference too, instead of all that tamari. Possibly.
What it needed more lemon, you mean?
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to turn the page and make it the hickory
smoke.
Smickery.
Snickery dickory do.
We're going to make that Hickory Smokehouse. So what we add to it now is we're going to add the half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and that's this one. Can I get this? We've got some schmutz on here. And this has got such, it just smells like, isn't that hit? Wait. Wait, smell it.
It's all the outdoor fireplaces that we've ever.
Yeah. Does it smell like an outdoor fireplace?
Smells like an outdoor fire for sure.
Yeah. And then this smells like, I mean, I can't explain this any other way. But
You need both.
This
You need
tastes
both
like
the
this
smoked
brings,
paprika and liquid smoke, Jane.
yeah, Hickory
Wow.
Smokehouse, because this is the hickory. This is like the bacony. I mean, I know it sounds awful to say, but this brings that. So smell that. Isn't that more of a hickory bacon? Smell that, Wade.
Yeah.
Wasn't that?
Yeah,
What's that smell like to you?
like.
I've always used them
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
a little interchangeably, but I can see that
Oh, yeah,
they're
no,
quite different.
They're different. Okay, and here it goes. Can you read that?
What do I read?
No. While I'm scraping down, I want my mom just to read the little 2 sentences we have about the Hickory Smokehouse hummus.
Well, it's already what we've been saying. It's try it on your next sandwich. It will make you feel as though you were in front of an open campfire, feasting before you hit the trails for another day in the great North Badlands, Highlands, or just your own backyard.
I love how this makes me feel like an adventurer. Okay, so this I think is ready to be tasted. How do we want to taste this? Should we do it on a piece of bread? Should we have it on a carrot? Should we have
You
it
know
on
what?
a cucumber?
I just
have it-
want it in a little spoon.
I'm gonna get a little carrot, I think, or pepper, or something.
Oh, a little pepper. One of those wonderful little colorful peppers.
Yes. Perfect. Let's cut
I tell
this
you,
open.
no, you know what? It's just so much fun to have these peppers and just dip them. And
I want to have a little scoop, though. There. Oh, how is it?
exquisite. And What's so nice about these, there are only seeds at the very, very end, so you can just eat it right up.
I feel
Awesome.
ready for an adventure. Mm-hmm. And a great beyond, and above, and below, and within. Wow, yummy.
Jane,
And when
so
you,
good.
when you make
Two
this,
kinds of smoked stuff makes this extra special good.
well, and if you want to add more of anything, more garlic, please do. More aquafaba to make it runnier.
More lemon.
Less aquafaba, or acid queen, of course. More lemon, or even more smoked paprika, or more of the liquid smoke. Either one of those, all of those, amp up the flavor so you'll eat it. We tend to not be so salty in the recipes, but whatever can help amp up the flavor for you, please play with it. Okay, thank you so much. Enjoy your next.
You know what? You can just fill this little thing with hummus. So nice. Woo!
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Energy up for one. Let's go. Ow! Okay. Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
Wait, I'm not ready.